Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 21-inch MDF hummingbird cutout. I'm starting in here with a base layer paint by Sherwin-Williams, trying to coat the entire base so that there's no MDF wood showing. I did speed it up a bit because this does take a little bit of time, making sure every edge is covered. So I didn't want to put you guys through that. So here I'm starting on the beak. I'm using the Prussian blue first on the knife, and then I add the glisten, which is an interference bluish green. And I was hoping to come up with some popping cells, and as you can see, it did not happen here, but I do fix it in a little while. Now I'm starting to go in with the pigments, and I'm just layering where I want the colors, how I want the colors to blend. And this is what I called control swiping, because you're trying to create a color palette that blends and also appears on the part of the bird where you want it, or the part of the piece that you want. So here I go in with the cell activator, Prussian blue again, swiping over. I mean, the cells, I just love watching the cells pop up. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys listen to some music while I continue along. If you have any questions or any comments, please put them below. I do get back to everyone. It may not be the same time you post, but I check every day and I answer everybody's questions. I want to thank you guys for being here so much. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Hey guys, I wanted to pop in real quick and just go over this area that I'm going to be manipulating now. This is cell activator, those dark blue areas. This is cell activator that did not spread out, did not break up, cells didn't appear, and sometimes that can happen in a piece. So what I wanted to do and what I did was go over those areas with another cell activator, which was that glisten, that interference blue-green, to try to lighten it up a bit and get rid of those predominantly dark areas. So in the future, like if you are working on a piece and you come up with these areas that you're just not happy with, don't be afraid to pick up a knife or any type of tool and put some paint on it and swipe over it or add it. I mean, it does make a difference. As you can see, those dark areas are gone, and it did wonders for the piece. So anyway, thank you again for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope this tutorial helps out some people. Again, if there's more questions or you want further details, let me know. I really do this to inspire people and to show people it's something everyone can do. All right, thank you. Have a great day.